All my last year previous videos I recorded with this one only. Maximum videos. 2001 videos. Okay. The Google recorder. Okay, so here it is. Jenkins. What is Jenkins? Again, it's a continuous integration tool. It's a continuous integration tool. So you can say CI by CD. It's a very powerful part. Okay, CI by CD. What Jenkins will do? Nothing. It is a it don't do anything. It is don't do anything. It's a open source automation server which enable developers around the world reliably build, test, and deploy their software. Okay, deploy their software. So very simply, you can say. Originally, say Jenkins don't do anything. You must know what to do with the Jenkins. Okay, that we have to check it. Important in a Jenkins is, guys, in a Jenkins is actually it can be there is a lot of plugins in the Jenkins. Importance of Jenkins is okay, a lot of plugins in the Jenkins. A lot of plugins in the Jenkins. Okay, these are all given. So I'll just with management for a pipeline. Main important here is Jenkins is plugins. What kind of plugins it is? Git related plugins, GitHub plugins, Java programming related plugins, Python plugins, Windows CMD plugins, okay, Bash related plugins, okay, Bash related plugins, okay, Maven, and Ansible, Docker, microservices, okay, Active Directory, HTML, okay, MS build, like this. So many, okay. These are the main importance of Jenkins, guys. I'm not going with more about Jenkins now, just because of I want a installation because we are all getting hungry, so installation must not be delayed. Otherwise, we have to discuss Jenkins and leave. That is the only one thing is we can do it. So Jenkins is an application written in a Java. Written in a Java. So to run Jenkins, we need a we need a Java must be installed in your local PC. So I'm installing this Jenkins in Linux. Guys, when you go to the Jenkins download page, okay, this is the Jenkins download page. So compulsory go to Jenkins download page. How to download Jenkins is there. Okay. So compulsory go to LTS. It's a stable version. It is stable for a next 12 weeks at least. Okay, it is regular release. It's keep development and release, keep update kind of stuff. So how to download and what are the hardware requirements and how to install, full guideline is there. Hardware and software requirements, installing Jenkins, you can go next. Guys, look at here, Jenkins 2.332.3 LTS. Actually these are all based on DevOps concepts only, agile type only. So this is 349. 349 is not LTS. It is a regular release, weekly release kind of stuff. Once this becomes stable, they'll keep it in here. You can install Jenkins as a Java file. This Java file can be installed in both Windows and Linux also. Docker, Ubuntu, what is this? CentOS. You want to install in a CentOS? This is directly you can download it. Download a RPM file also. So look at here. How to install? You can get it. These things. To download wget command, RPM command for key, installation of Java 11 and Jenkins kind of stuff. Yeah, we need this name. We'll see. Okay, and like this, installing Jenkins. What are the things you want to install in a Linux? You want to install as a WAR file. You want to install in a Windows. You have to check it, guys. Guys, follow these steps, please. Okay. First of all, hardware and software requirements. Installing Jenkins important, and we have to download this one. If you are using for Windows or Linux, this one is perfectly working. Perfectly working. Next. This is showing in Linux, whatever it is. This is the pre-request. Minimum hardware is 256 GB of RAM. Okay, sorry, MB of RAM. 1 GB drive space. Okay, if you have a Docker, then you require 10 GB. Recommended 4 GB of RAM, 50 GB of disk space. Okay, first of all, we'll take the hardware requirements to install Linux. Whether it is, sorry, to install a Jenkins. Minimum this, recommended this. Small team, this is minimum. Okay, so 256 MB RAM. We have 2 GB RAM, no problem. Next, Java requirements. Java requirements. This is first. This is, we have to check it. Java 8 or Java 11 is important. Do not go with a Java 9 or a Java 10. Okay, do not go with a Java 9 or a Java 10. If you want in a Docker also, like a Java 17 also support for Docker image, in a Docker Java kind of stuff. So in a Java version, compulsory required either Java 11 or a Java 8. So like this, JDK JRE, you have to take 64-bit JDK JRE. To download these things from internet, okay, so then we need a Oracle account is also required. Okay, but we are in a or different position. So check it how to install a Java kind of stuff. We'll try from here. Okay, we are installing in a Linux, so we can simply download this 11 version or 8 version. But we have to do yum info kind of stuff. Yum info kind of stuff. Okay, so first of all, install Java. So I'm going to install cd dot dot. Okay, first try this package is available or not. Java 11 or a Java 8. So first of all, find it. Yes, this package open JDK 11 is there. Okay, open JDK 64-bit is there. 64-bit or 32-bit. Yeah, this is 64-bit. Okay, it automatically detects. So I'm going to install this package. Okay, guys, yum install this package -y represent. Yes, I want to install Java. First install the Java for Jenkins. So if we are installing JDK means it install both JDK and JRE. Total download is 40 MB and this is installation is 116. Let it download and install. Point is, are you understand or not? Yum install Java-11 open JDK. I'm installing in a Linux. That's why I'm doing like this. Okay. First of all, install Java. Open JDK 11 version in our CentOS. Okay, I'm using. So no need to specifically, especially not required to download. Okay, so let it install. It take time. So this part completed. So I close it, close it, close it. Okay, next downloading. You have to download this file. Either you download in your Windows machine and upload it to Linux, or you can directly download to your Linux machine. So then I'll go to download directly in my machine. Okay, so Jenkins download. Okay, I'm downloading in my Linux PC directly. Downloads. Okay, go to downloads. I said what to download? Var file. Var file. I'm downloading generic Java package var file. Click here. Okay, save file. Click OK. Okay, it is downloading. It take time. It is around a 19.5 MB. A very small package, no problem. Okay, it is let it download. So no problem. So meanwhile, what is going on with our installation? Yeah, Java installation is completed, guys. Okay, I'm downloading that one also. Whether it is installed or not, you must know. Okay, where it is installed, that is also you must know. This is won't work here. Okay, there is a no command called a Java version. Now it is working. Okay, I told install Java 11, but it is already installed with the Java 11. So Java 8 is installed in built-in installation is there. Why it is showing like that? So only because of it is only because of environmental variables. It's purely depends upon environmental variables. We can set it also. We can change the environmental variables also. So look at here, not this one. This is the original location of your Java. This is your new Java is there. Java Live JVM. This is already installed. This is newly installed. This is your original Java location. Now why I done like this? Find it. Meanwhile, I will copy this Java. Okay, this is your Java location, home location. So you have to tell where is your home kind of stuff. Java home. Echo dollar Java underscore home. If it is already there, no, it is not there. We can define now. Then search for a Google Java home path in Linux. Okay. So everything is you have to know where how to set up. Okay. But little complex, but you should understand how to change it also. So you have to use like a export kind of stuff. Okay. Otherwise, it can be profiles in profile. Better to add it. Okay. So I'm going to my Vim or VI slash etc slash profile and see export kind of stuff, right? So this is export kind of stuff. I'm trying to add this thing here. Which I um, export Java underscore home. Yeah, there's a few other places also there to add it. So we can try. This is the Java 11. That's it. Okay, correct. Next, again, export path equal to dollar Java underscore home slash bin location slash bin. So how many people don't want Linux? Don't think like that, guys. It is point is, even if you go, even if you are in a Windows, you have to use this kind of stuff. Okay, environmental variable setup. Okay. No, 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 no. Source. Add this. So this is how to add environmental variables, but it may not give you your desired output. So find out echo. Yeah, location is showing now, but important is it showing a Java version or not? Not, it is not. It is not updating like that. Okay, it's okay, no problem, because 8 is also works. Okay. Anyway, we are updated. It's not showing the updated one because it's having still having the old information. Okay, either you delete the old one. Okay, either you uninstall the old one or install the new one. So like yum info java hyphen star hyphen open adk, that is the package name. So which one is installed in your PC, which is available, like that, so you can get it. Okay, so these are all available part. So this is installed one. This is installed one. Available installed, like that it is there. But whatever it is, guys, so as I said, Java 8 or 11 both are there, both are in my PC, no problem. Point is Jenkins installation. So go to here. Is it downloaded? Not yet downloaded. Taking time. Oh, that much time it is taking. No problem. So I am creating a directory called mkdir slash Jenkins dir Jenkins directory. So I'm going to copy that folder here, that file here. Then we can use it. Okay. So we got a problem. Then it is showing a world one. So how to solve that one is given by like this. You can search here. If it is still showing a world one, okay, then you have to change it. Yeah, this is the command I given. Correct. Yes, any problem, you must know how to search it also. Okay, understand the question. It is both are same or not. He went to the another one. Ah, still not downloading. Ah, I cancel it. No, 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 no. Don't cancel. Don't cancel. Don't cancel. Always try to download a new version. Okay. Always try to download a newer version only. So I have old versions, but again it is become old. So what are the steps you have taken till now? So I installed a Java 11, but it is still showing a Java version is Java 8 only. Okay. No problem. Okay. We have done the path, but still it is showing this the old one. Maybe somewhere in other places it is added like that. We don't know. I thought it is like a internet problem only, not this problem. Shit. Where is this? Okay, I will download it from my physical machine. If you want to see my Java 11 version, not a 8 version, it is better to uninstall the Java 8 version. You find out what is the name of that Java kind of stuff, and you can try like this. Find or locate. You can use under USR with a name, anything with a so Java. See it is. This is the location of Java 1.8. This is location of 11. Why this is not downloading? You should not touch it that much thoroughly. My internet volume. I think it is my internet volume. I am storing in app folder. Yes. It is downloading little faster in my physical machine. Guys, how to upload from your physical machine to virtual machine? There is a two ways. One is drag and drop. Another one is WinSCP. WinSCP. Okay. Then I created mkdir as Jenkins. Right. To whom you want to connect? It is saying edit. My PC only 1.2. Save it. Login. Yes. Why it is showing this much? Resume. Minimize. So this is my Linux PC. This is under directly root. So this is my directory Jenkins.dir direct directory. This is apps folder directly. It is there. And wait, is it downloaded? You see it is downloaded. So I'm going to this file directly. You need a patience, guys. It is not sometimes it is smooth, sometimes it may not be smooth. So I'm just drag and drop in this location. I'm copying into my Linux PC from my physical machine. WinSCP. What is SCP? What is CP? Copy. SCP, secure copy. WinSCP, Windows to Linux copy. Windows to any machine copy. It is through SCP protocol. So I copied into Win, this kind of stuff. Minimize, minimize or close. Then go to your server. So still it is downloading. No, not required. So cancel it. So I downloaded in this place. You can see other locations. My computer. Jenkins dir. See it is. I downloaded. Okay. Here I copied from there to here in my physical machine, in my virtual machine. Look at here, guys. So this is already created. ls. So this is the part. ls space hyphen l slash jenkins dot dir. So x is not there on it. ls space hyphen l jenkins. Okay. I want to rename it. How to rename? First of all, mv command to move as well as a rename. Guys, X command is not there. X is not there. For execution is not there. How to add a execution for everyone? Ch mod Hmm. 7 7. Only execution, right? Not required to change any other permissions. Only execution for everyone. All plus X or a plus X for everyone. Or 7 4 4. No. 7 5 5. Also okay. 7 5 5 7 7 7. Also good. Correct only. Okay. Just I'm giving X, so I don't mind what it is. Permission is there. So now it is there. The command is Java space hyphen jar Jenkins dot var hyphen hyphen. So installation method is different, guys. So this again we'll see from here how to install Jenkins. Again, how to install Jenkins. Go to where file. I'm installing where file. This is the minimum requirements, hardware requirements, Java requirements. This is the command. Like this, you have to give. To run a var file like this, you have to give. Okay. So this is internet is slow. Actually, internet must be faster. I created this directory. I put the file inside. Okay. Jenkins dot var into slash Jenkins here. Okay. Next, put this command and open like this. Or you can use this command. I'm using this part. I'm using this part. Okay. So like this. cd Jenkins directory ls chmod plus x Jenkins that var. Okay. Change the permissions. Then do like this command. So Java space hyphen jar Jenkins that var. I put in a different port, not on a default port. Okay. I want to put a different port like this. Okay, not as a thing. Okay, so here it is. HTTP port number. Different port I want to put it because 88 is a most common port number. So then it is. We started a installation of Jenkins. Okay, we are started a installation of Jenkins. Okay, this folder will be created under root. So you can see it is. Where is this? Again, files, folders, kind of stuff. Yeah, places. Okay, there is a hidden folder will be created inside under dot root. You have a root directories there, no? That is called home. You will get a dot Jenkins folder will be created. I think it is not showing because it's a hidden file. It's okay. Look at here it is. ls space hyphen a. Okay. If you see dot Java file is there, okay, like that. Dot Jenkins folder will be there under this and see it is dot Jenkins folder is also there here. Okay. Dot Jenkins folder is there. ls dot Jenkins folder dot Jenkins. These are the data of your Jenkins folder. This is a secret key. Okay, this is secret key. So if you don't want Jenkins, you can't uninstall it. You have to remove this folder from your location. Okay. Yeah, it is keep going. Yeah, very good. So here it is password generated. This is the initial password, guys. When it is initial password generated, so take the password. Okay, initial setup is required. So I done mistake. Don't put a cancel kind of stuff. Again, I have to run. Uh, don't do any copy paste kind of stuff. Control C never touch. Okay, Control C never touch. Yeah, take this kind of stuff. Okay, just highlight it, paste here. This is the password. This is the password, and also password located under secrets. This is the file. Initial admin password is located here. Okay. Now I am opening from my physical machine like a HTTP colon slash slash 192.168.1.2 colon 1990 like this. Okay. If you want to set up from here, from this browser, you can also do it from your Linux directly. You can able to do it. No confusion at all. Okay. But there is a remote Linux machine. You are setting up from the remotely, like we can see it. Yeah, it is showing a site cannot be reached. There is a two possibilities. One is yeah, when it is showing Jenkins is full up and running, you can start doing this one. So this is my Linux IP address. This is my Linux IP address. You can try like this. First of all, so make sure that it should show Linux Jenkins is full up and running. Yeah, it is 2 o'clock. I understand. Showing Linux is full up and running. Check your Linux IP address. Try to open like this. But it is not opening, guys. Why? Because of there is a problem. What is the problem? Firewall problem. Firewall problem. Okay. So I need to go to root. That root we should not touch it. This is root firewall problem. Firewall hyphen cmd hyphen zone equal to public hyphen permanent hyphen add port, because HTTP is allowed, but new port it is there now. So this 1990 port is not allowed, right? So that is the add port. There is a problem in the port. Which port it is? TCP port. Add port successful. Then what to do? Reload. Okay. Once reload, list all. Okay, 1990 port is added. So guys understand? So why it is not working? Because it's a port related issues. Try to open like this. So of course you have to do it with the root only, but some other root, other part. Okay. Now, yeah, we got it. Unlock Jenkins. So successfully, this is first step only. Okay, or a second step. One part completed. So copy paste this initial password. Copy paste this initial password there. Don't save it. Install suggested plugins. Install all plugins. Guys, if you select the second one, it may take time. If internet speed is very good, no problem. So it will faster, it will install. Internet speed is not that much good, it is giving you problem. Okay. So I'm selecting second one. I'll try at least once. Here it is. Select second one because we don't know anything. Just you can click on install also, no problem. But anything you want a plugin here like a MS Build, Node.js, or a JUnit, few are compulsory required, few are not compulsory required. So what I do, I select everything. There is a few things not at all required. You can remove it from your place. Like I don't require a Chinese language. Okay, I don't require a Chinese language. I removed a Chinese language. Okay, you don't require active directory, so you can remove it. You can don't require LDAP, you can remove it. Okay, so you don't want a P4, you can remove it. Okay, you want a Git, you want GitHub, you don't require GitLab, you can remove it. You want a Git bucket, you can keep it, otherwise remove it. Okay, so pipelines are required like this. So select all the options except the last one. I have done like that. It is your completely your wish to do it. So click on install, and you have to wait either it is successful in a 5-10 minutes or failed in a 20-30 minutes. So don't worry. So let it, if it is keep doing means from starting only no problem, means usually no problem at all. Better close extra things, guys. Extra things, anything is open internet related, so better to close all those things. This is GitHub also not required. Yeah, pre-installation is also not required. Only the setup should be done. This is also not required. Of course, this is going on recording, so don't worry. uh, yeah, this is recording, no problem. Any unnecessary things and unnecessary internet things mainly, remove it. Okay, unnecessary internet things, better to remove it. It is okay. Even though you removed a necessary also, not at all a big problem it is. So these are a compulsory kind of stuff. Okay. Okay, guys, these are the steps. Once again, I will explain the steps. We are installing in a Linux. So we are installing in a Linux. First one, you have to check the internet anything. First, install Java 8 or 11. Names of that one is Java hyphen 8 star or something. Open JDK. Find out what is open, like this, or Java hyphen 11 hyphen open JDK. Okay, or you can download it from the Oracle website. Okay, either install these two things. Second one, okay, in a Java, check the version, set environmental variables also. So that part, Google search it, find it. Main, which version you are installed, that version it should shows. Otherwise, set the environmental variable. Java home is important. But to mention in the Java home, what I have done, so I done in a slash etc slash profile. Okay, before going to that one, so I find where the USR is better. So it reduces the number of kind of Java. Then copy Java that 8 or 11, open JDK path. Copy that path, go there. So put exports here. Okay, so equal to path, paste Java path. Okay, then you have to give exports. Okay, path equal to percentage Java underscore home slash bin executable file, bin colon percentage path again. Okay, check it what I have done. So okay, this path here to not percentage dollar path. Okay, so environmental variables little challenging kind of stuff. Once you have done what you do, so there is command called a source slash etc slash profile. So your Java path setting is completed. Okay, next third point, download LOAD download Jenkins that var to in a LTS type. Okay, Jenkins var. So go to Jenkins IO, okay, under downloads. So go to stable LTS. There you can find Jenkins var. Okay, so check the latest version. So go to downloads. Okay, so download this one. The fourth one. So in Linux only. So create a folder slash Jenkins. It's not mandatory. So I created like this. I created a folder, copy or a move Jenkins that var file to slash Jenkins dir. From Linux, Windows, whatever it is, you can download it. chmod plus x Jenkins that var because you want to execute that one. Okay, change the execution path. Fifth one, start install Java -jar Jenkins that var. I want to put a different port number. That's why I'm selecting thing. Default port number is 8080. I change different port number. Let it install. Then copy initial password. That entire matter. So the entire matter. Okay. The initial password. That kind of stuff. Do it. Next. Sixth step. In Linux only. As a root. Separate root. Okay. That's why I'm writing like this. Go to firewall. -cmd zone equal to public permanent add port equal to 9090 slash TCP protocol. Okay, then firewall cmd reload. Next firewall cmd list all. Okay, that is do it. In a seventh step, open a browser either in your physical machine or a thing. So http colon slash slash we need an IP address, right? And port number 99. So in my case, my Linux IP address is 192.168.1.2. Then it is port number is 99. Okay. Then paste initial password. Say copied, right? So eighth step. Eighth step. Now not suggested second one. Okay, the second one. Okay, so uh, uh, select plugin kind of stuff. I select all and I remove last one. What is last one? Locally Chinese. Why I removed? Because we don't know Chinese language also. Right? Let it go on. If you got any errors, we'll wait. Okay, no problem. We didn't find any errors till now. Means it is going on greater. Okay, so guys, it will take time. At least it will take another 15-20 minutes time. So what I will do it, I will leave like this only. Let it record. Once it is completed, I will stop the record. So next continuation, I will show you in afternoon. So maximum I will take 1 hour. I will show you one or two executions only, not more than that one. Okay, I will show you. I will discuss in afternoon about middleware, basics of middlewares. Okay, but I will tell you one or two programs how to execute in a Jenkins. This is installation method only. Okay, so if whenever I having a time, so I will keep developing in a Jenkins also. I will in a Linux base. So it is installing. It is good, but internet is also having a one hand in it. Okay, so here it is root. We should not touch this part. This is completely Linux. This is completely Jenkins is going on in this window. So we should not touch whatever it is going on. So don't do anything. So if it is freezed, if in case it is got freezed, okay. So nothing movement so far from last 5-10 minutes. Then just press the enter button once. Do not close it. If you put a all closing kind of stuff or a control C, entire thing will be stopped. Again, you have to do it from the starting. That is another button. Okay, let it go on. So guys, understand what to do, how much we are completed, or is anybody there? Okay, so let it go on. So I keep recording like this. Session is also open, just I'm muting. Okay, you can go for lunch, no problem, you can disconnect it also. Okay, come back at 3 o'clock. Understand? Come back at 3 o'clock. It's recording, let it go recording. This is in a resume mode. Okay, so finally it is installed. Normally it will fail, but it is Linux, lightweight, and internet is okay. Okay, if internet is good, like 30, 40 Mbps, of course my internet is good. Sometimes it will pop problem. So finally it is installed. Create a first admin user. Okay, so then we have to save it, right? So I'm going to create a new user here. Okay, so I'm going to create um, my name, okay, as a user, like a Latif admin. Okay, I create a my admin kind of stuff, or you can use my admin. I am admin. I put a my admin. Username is my admin. Password is admin @ 123. Confirm password admin @ 123. Full name my admin example.com. Admin, that is enough. Some email ID my admin @example.com. Okay, this is username and password. If in case you forget this user password kind of stuff, then you have a initial username password is there. You can try with that one also. Okay, so continue, save and continue. So you'll get a screen. So once screen got it, so then I will go to uh, save it, my previous video. So you have to wait. So as this thing must be run completed installation 133 plugins in 50 minutes. It taken 50 minutes. Okay, this thing must be run, guys. If it is closed or anything control C kind of stuff, the Jenkins will be stopped. I given, so it is taking, so it will take time. Actually, I want to finish by morning only, but it's dragging. It is like we whatever we plan, we don't. It won't happen like that. What else it is? Why it is taking that much time? Now I'll just try again. Yeah, it is going for first. So where is that initial password? I didn't remember. Okay, where is the command I given? Here it is. See, this is initial password. I saved it. If in case you forget this one, no problem. It is available in a /root Jenkins security like this. So just put the password, because lot of time I leave like that only, no. So that's why it is okay. Now I'm creating my admin @123, admin @123, my admin and any name you can give. No, that is not about any email ID you can give. Save and continue. So this is the URL which we log in. Already we are logging with that one only. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Guys, no need to try yourself. If you want to try, you can try, no problem. But try to concentrate on other things. So once you are login, this is the Jenkins dashboard. There is a two things it is showing, guys. One is like a alarm kind of stuff, something warning kind of stuff. So look at it is showing multi-job plugin. Java 11 is recommended version to run Java on. Please consider upgrade. Okay, so already Java 11 is there, but there is something problem inside, then it is not showing. So I don't want to show more things, so I continue it. SSH plugin manager, some issue is there. Like that, we can find what are the issues. This is my user account. If you want to do any changes, configurations, credentials, builds, you can do for it. In the left hand side, new item means you want to create a new project kind of stuff. New item. People, users. I am a user. Also, what are the users are there? So you can able to see the existing users here. Build histories. What are the build things that happened so far in your system? You can do it. So this is a Linux, not a Linux, Jenkins server it is. Finally, it is a manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. What is this manage Jenkins? You can manage plugins. What are the plugins you want to add it or update or delete? So you can manage it plugins. Global tool configuration, configure system. Okay. So managing users. Okay, system information, system logs, Jenkins CLI. You want to shut down. These things are in the main important. So first three things we'll see one by one. Go to manage plugins. Okay, the look is different. Is update is available. So it is showing update is available. Next, availables. So what are the plugins are currently available to install? If you want it, you can install it also. For example, it is showing Git server. For example, it is required. Select it. Download and install after restart or install without restart. Like that. So Docker commons. For example, I need this one. Select it. Docker pipeline is required. Then select it. Like this. You can install the plugins based on availability. These are installed plugins. Some plugins are compulsory to do it, so you cannot able to change it. Some are not required, so you can disable it and you can remove the plugins also. So understand? So this is a plugin sometimes not required, sometimes it is expired one is there. Okay. So no longer required. Or, for our project, it is no use of that one. So what we can do, better to remove it if you are unnecessarily installed. This is advanced. For example, if your plugins are located array to communicate to your plugin server, you have to go through your proxy server, then you have to give proxy information. Again, go to manage Jenkins. This is global configuration and configuration system. So first of all, I'll go to configure system. I'm showing the basic management of Jenkins. Next part, I will show you a small program how to do it with the Jenkins. That's it. So we will discontinue. We'll go to middleware. So tomorrow I will going to start ITIL. Okay. So today I will try to finish this. So where is your main Jenkins is installed under slash root dot Jenkins. Maven is installed. If in case Maven is installed, where the Maven is installed. So that is also you have to tell here. Okay, where is SCM like Jenkins locations. Okay, where if you have a GitLab kind of stuff, then you have to tell GitLab information. Rebuild timestamper. So how to put a timestamper for it? What is your default language? You can tell. Okay, Groovy base. Groovy is also a kind of thing. Okay, fingerprint. GitHub server. You want to add a Git server server information here? You can add it also. but don't do it until unless it is compulsory required. Git plugin. So earlier we have given username and password for a Git plugin, right? So if you want to do like that, you can try it. Repo keys, authentication. These are all information is there. Okay. I'm going back to my dashboard. Again, manage like this. Okay. This is a system. Your server setting. This is plugin setting. This is your plugins configuration setting. Okay, so where there is a few important things are there we will do it. So where is your maven configuration? Okay, if you install maven, so then you have to tell where is your maven. Okay, add a jdk. So already if jdk is installed, then do it. If git is installed, then where is the git? For example, I put a git name is git only, and a path of the git where git is installed, where the git is installed. Already I have shown that one, but I will try to show you again. Go to find slash usr hyphen name. Sometimes you may install a git in a different locations, then you have to go to that one. Otherwise give this git location. This is the git location. Okay, now I need to select all these things. Like this is Git information. Gradle. Also an application Gradle. Mercurial. Mercurial is like a update. And Maven installation. If you have a Maven installed, MS build, Node.js kind of stuff is there. JDK also you can add it. Add JDK. So don't select this one. Just home. Mm, name is Open 11 Open JDK. So the Java 11 also you can put anything. JDK 11 also you can put it. Where is the home? Where is home? So you can tell. Okay. So this is the location of your Java. So what I'm doing, just understand. So this is what it is not understanding this location. So I will try another one. I will put a this part only. Don't touch this one. It does not look JDK directory. Then how it is look like? Remove, delete JDK. Okay, we'll add it later. So again we'll check it. So this is how you can add it. If you install a Maven and all, just inform it here and do it. So this is managing Jenkins. Okay, so this is about your basic. This is new item, guys. I will show you one basic program how to do it. First of all, before I do, how to do it in a manually. How to do it in a manually, guys. Remember Jenkins running on a Linux machine. So I will do some points here in the Linux machine. Look at here. Echo. Welcome to Jenkins. This is a command I executed. Okay. Next command is date command. Next command is cal command. Okay. Next command is cal command. pwd command. Foo command. Okay. So these are a basic Linux command. Don't okay. Kind of stuff. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is I'm creating a freestyle project. I'm putting a project name is first demo. Okay. The first demo project. Freestyle means you can create whatever you want to do it. So there's no specific information, compulsory information is not there. Click ok, guys. Here it is done. So then I'll go to new one. Understand what is Jenkins. What is Jenkins? Integration tool. What Jenkins will do? Nothing. What exactly Jenkins? So guys, this is called a source code. Source code. Jenkins will take the source code. So it says take the source code means your code. So it is a location. You have to specify the location of the source code into the Jenkins. And through the certain tools like a Maven, like a Maven is there, Yant is there. Through certain tools, okay, as JUnit, NUnit, it will do certain work on it. Means testing it, building it like that. Once it is completed, once this is successful, then Jenkins will send the information to deploy. Okay, so what type of deployment? Through Ansible deployment, or a Puppet Chef deployment, through Chef. It connected to something. For example, it tell Ansible server to do like this, deploy to these machines. Okay, so this is what Jenkins will do. It's a continuous integration, continuous delivery type. In Jenkins, there is no tools at all. Only thing is it use your default tools. In this one, I have a bash shell. I executing some commands in this bash shell because my Jenkins running in Linux. It is very easy to access. So guys, look at this is the general. Okay, here it is. I am running some Linux CMDs just for understand. Okay, so you have any Git project? It is like that. You can inform it. This is source code management. Where is your source code? It is in a Git? Is it in Gerrit? Is it in CVV? Is it in a base clear case? Is it in a Mercurial? Like that. Is it in a subversion? Where is your source code management? Triggers. Trigger means when to run this one. It is an automated process, guys. Jenkins is not only just integration, it automates the process. Okay, so I given a certain triggers. If this command is happen, do like this. Or if this file is finally put it in a source code, there is a new commitment in the source code. GitHub, I given a new code, then automatically Jenkins will trigger the build, and the build will be done. So that is called a build triggers. Trigger build remotely from the script. Build from other projects are build means some different project is build, then you can build like that. Build periodically. Build periodically. If you don't understand what is build periodically kind of stuff, how to schedule, just go to question mark and open in a new tab. Okay, so you can find how to build this kind of stuff. No, not like this. Yeah, here it is showing It is like a cron tab only. Okay, it is like a cron tab only. You have to schedule like this, every hour, every minute, every 5 minutes, like that you can schedule it. Okay, so these are other informations thing. This is build environment. Do you want to delete the workspace before you want to delete it? Use a secret text file, text or a text files. You want to connect some remote machines, like that. So we can able to. So this is the build setup. Finally, this is Linux based machine, right? So then I will go to remote shell, execute shell command. Already I told echo welcome to Jenkins. Okay, then what is date command, cal command, uh, pwd command, who command, something I want to execute certain commands. This is my build request. It is not doing anything, just I have to show you the post build kind of stuff. Just I'm going configure again. Okay, so go to post build actions, means this is build actions, this is post build action. Guys, what is this post build actions? Look at, once this build is successful or a failure, what to do. For example, you want to publish a report, or you want to test it, or you want to tell, you want to push it into GitHub, or you want to get a display, it is successful now, package and deliver. Okay, so or you can start monitoring what happened there. So these are all things are there. Cities, build other project, publish HTML, publish JUnit test result, publish Git publishing. Okay, voting, email notifications, and the email notification your build is successful or your build is failure, like that. This is post build actions. Okay, so this is, I created a project, now I'm running build now. Click on build now. Now you can see there is something is like running. It is completed, click here. So this is build one completed. Green check mark means successful, but don't leave it. Just go to console output. See, it is echo welcome to Jenkins. It is displaying. Date command is executed. Cal command is executed. PWD is executed. Who command is also executed. I didn't given any specific thing. Only thing is just I run a kind of stuff. Guys, understand? Not really confused?
Yes, sir.
Very good. No problem. No problem. Okay, this is about your Jenkins. Next one, I will show you how to execute a Python file, and how to execute from GitHub. Okay, so that's it. Look at here. I will take in my local, I have a Python file. For example, I take my Python file and execute with the Jenkins. Okay, and see the result. Okay, next one is in a source code management, we have a Python files in GitHub, right? So we'll take the Python file from the GitHub and take it into Jenkins and we'll execute it. Okay, so this is how Jenkins works. This is, I showed an output here, it is, that's it. Okay, we'll stop it here.